like here at least. Oh, they wanted to break the support. Okay.
Cause no wick. Yeah, no wick.
But then they could wait. How much is this to this wick?
Stop loss.
If you saw from here. Gold flipped.
Yeah. This 1 hour, really legit, this candle is going to fly. Not even kidding. The 15-minute closed back in the range. Close 75% of that bearish candle. Right?
It closed back in the range. It tapped the 4-hour support, support.
Yeah, it tapped the 78.6 also.
Tapped the 78.6, about to make a new higher low.
Yes. If this 1 hour closes like this, I'm willing to risk a bit to go up to the highs.
Yeah. This, I think, is making the 4-hour candle look weak as well now.
Sorry again?
The 4-hour candle.
The 4-hour candle? Why? It's making a lower wick.
It would have made it look weak. Ooh, it flipped back bearish. Ooh.
It has to close bullish before I even touch it.
$149,845. That's that. That's when I'm looking at sales eventually, but I'll probably cut like 90%.
Yeah, Guala's on Luke's stream. He's been on every day. He's just looking for another Zoom to go on. Let's see. Right.
Oh, even on GG. Fuck.
GG. Wow, look at GG. Bam! Stop loss. Took a big chunk of the stop loss.
Damn.
Damn, bro. Avengers alert.
This right before London Open as well. But then 149.29 is right there.
Look at the 1 hour on GG. Higher low. Rejected 761. Oh. Disaster. On go, nope. There's no trade on go. I think it's still bearish. GG is weird.
Nah, GG scared me.
Yeah.
This is happening right before
London Open.
This could even be a trap. I don't know.
Yeah. I'm a chill.
This forward ain't that great anyway, so.
Yeah. Same. Wait, you're not muted. No, I'm not. Wow, this candle is humongous genius.
Who's Daniel, Alexi? She'll be back. Relax.
Relax. Hashtag needy dog. What is GJ doing? What's the news? Let me see. Yeah, even gold closed bearish in the end. Looks like no trade London session. So let me check my volume first. Okay. So today, the EU Economic Summit is on. They will be on at the 4-hour close. So judging from the way GJ has been, there's no trade for me. Like, not yet. I'm gonna wait till the New York session before I take anything. So it's gonna be a slow London session, most probably nothing for me. If anyone's itching for a trade, please go to the other stream. Price action is very, very disgusting. It's consolidating both on gold and on GJ. So it's playing within my hourly levels right now. It's the hourly high in this area. What's my bias on GJ? I prefer shorts, but only to this area, 148, 800. So on this latest swing that I'm looking at on GJ, right? This latest impulsive swing down broke the support. It came back for a pullback. So if it forms another lower high, I may attempt a short, but I gotta see how this closes first. Because to me, on the 15-minute lower highs, price is squeezing again. So lower highs created from the top, but higher lows created from the bottom. So that's why I'm not being super adventurous with my TP. I'm looking to target these resistance highs here first. Let me tell you what's annoying. Come, let's see.
Wait, did you call me?
No? I say come, let's see. Yeah, Nadim, because I stopped sharing my links, my Zoom link on the market fluidity Slack. So the other stream, Luke Trades London, he's also from market fluidity. He trades like how Raja does. So those that want 10 pips and whatever impulse sells and whatever not, go to that stream, yeah. So Luke opened up his Zoom to all the market fluidity people. Hence the guest appearance. Double top broke. Then will your stop loss be a bit tight? Like, for me, I think I might have given it a bit more space above the wicks, because the area here, I don't know, I remember your 4 hour zone is the blue line if I'm not wrong, right? So I would have put it above. I want the 4 hour level to help me protect my stop loss, because this is consolidation now. It might wick up again and then come down. But this is a bit annoying. I agree. Yeah, EU summit is on in 1 hour. Let's see, Stana, what's this? Buy after closes above 149.41. Yeah, you have this trend line, same thing. I saw this also. But I also see this. So its price is a bit stuck. I think it depends on which time frame you're looking at, right? Because for me, the concerning thing about the 1 hour structure is, if price managed to create a new higher low on the 1 hour, how come it failed to break the previous high? So this, and I also have a weekly level at 149.290. So that's why I think it could actually maybe do some kind of retracement and then come down. So the way this big bullish candle, I didn't see any news just now. I don't know why this one formed, to be honest. But I do have a 1 hour fib area from here. So when I checked my levels, it bounced off 61 fib for me. So who knows, it could be that just a reaction to come down lower. Right now price is in the middle of nowhere. I'm not really sure whether to buy or sell at this juncture, but either I wait at my weekly level at 149.290 or I don't take a trade yet. So this is a bit weird. I cannot buy from here, it's too weird. It's too high already. How do I trade reversal? Reversal is in against the trend, like the pullbacks. Yeah, it won't be bullish until it breaks the high, exactly. As I see, if we look at yesterday's daily candle, right? This daily candle Why do I have this line? Hang on. So this is the daily high and the daily low. This candle is still within the range. It's not doing anything at all. So it broke the low of the previous daily candle. So that's why I still think price might come even lower to test this level of support on the daily, which is at 148,200 for me. So it could retest to my weekly area and then come down. I also see a potential retest till 150 even before it comes down again. So other than that, it's stuck in this daily range. Waiting is the hardest part. Yeah, I usually just do other things. Recently I've been reading this book, if anyone's interested. This one. I've been reading this one, it's quite interesting. So keep yourself occupied while waiting. What I normally do, if I'm afraid that I'll miss the move, I'll just set alarms at areas that I'm waiting for. So if I'm waiting at the weekly level, I'll just set an alarm there so I don't miss out if price suddenly shoots to the area. Tahir, since you're inside the private group, right? Go into the Discord. Then you see under the trading tools, the second link, there's a link about the books. You can get it from there. So this area, this one. Yeah, is I have two. Two of them have a bit. Oops, two of them have the same name, but hang on. It's the one I'm reading is Mindful Trading. Yeah, this one, the second last one. Once I'm done with it, I'll read the next one. Because anyway, I'm just waiting. I might as well make my time useful. Yeah, so the files are there. You can download it if you want. Bank. Backbone of all currency. Damn, I really don't know. But doesn't matter. Market analyst. Oh, that means you must be quite good at fundamentals, no? $148.90. Ah, 78.6, right? Yeah, I bounced out to 61. I think there was support here also. If I'm looking at the 15, this area. Yeah, but this candle, there was no news, nothing, so. Either way, I want it to break at least one of these ranges for me. We are stuck in the daily range. Yeah, if it closes above, what's this? 1 hour breaks this resistance and the daily high. It broke above my weekly previous resistance also. This area here. This is how I drew up the weekly area. So if it breaks above, then I'll watch to see the retest. Has to close above though. Break is nothing, it has to close above. And it can't be a wimpy candle either. I think there's still more downside to around 148,500. Yes. So based on the higher time frame, right? I think this, what I'm looking at on the 4 hour is something like this. For price to break, come back retest around this area daily, and then come back down again to 148.2. Yeah, same as you. So this level here is around the 4 hour 61 for me. So and plus it's a daily zone, so it could retest, plus it's a whole number, near a whole number anyway. Yeah, today is Avengers Day. All the big boys and girls are coming up. So there's the EU summit today at the 4 hour close. So if you're trading Euro pairs, pound pairs, just be careful. Biden is coming onto the EU summit, so if you're touching gold, be careful also. It's coming on at night. 8:45 Central Eastern Time. $7:20. How come Kuroda is coming on? I didn't see anything. What's he coming on to talk about? Do you know, Aiden? Like what kind of meeting? Or is it just some announcement? Oh, gross. 7:20. That's before the North American currency exchange opens. Okay, thank you. No, I didn't see any news. It's price action movement to me. So if you look at the 1 hour, this area here had quite a bit of confluence to go up. It was previous resistance then support. Prior tapped into it, boop, flew. I don't know, I'm not sure, but that's all I can read from it. Yeah. Alexi, you finished running? You can hear the birds, right? I don't know which neighbor of mine got birds. My bed is a bit noisy. Ooh, GG finally closed above the daily highs. Or rather, it's breaking, hasn't closed yet. If it closes, at least I can try to see what I can take to this area here. It's gonna go for this area already. Whee! I'm waiting to see how the hour closes, because that's also the 4-hour close. If the 4-hour and the hourly can close above all this nonsense, then we have a chance.
I would be careful if I was you right now, because I don't know what time frame. Looking at the range, man. Like if it closed just above here, you had enough. Oh, okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. I was looking at wrong. I was still thinking about this range. It's good. Yeah, maybe wait for a retest that you just mentioned. Yeah.
Is she?
What?
She's back on YouTube or what?
I got no idea. Welcome.
I don't know, but we were saying that I don't know. I didn't know that, but that you had to pay for Zooms.
Yeah, that was Guala, I think.
Yeah.
But she's in the chat right now. Hello, Eleanor. Welcome to my stream.
But she always had the YouTube lives, or
I don't know.
or not.
Yeah, she says I've always been on YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. Got no idea.
Okay. But to get into the Zoom, you have to pay.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. Bro, I got no idea. I don't wanna,
Yeah.
bump up things. I'm a nice guy, so I don't wanna. I'd rather be friends with everyone than enemies with everyone. Not friends,
course.
good with everyone. Good with everyone. I don't know. Not gonna trash talk. Trash talk. That's 2020. Trash talk.
Yeah, I'm gonna journal in this trade.
Oh, okay.
Before the London Open.
Yeah.
When the bullet can go through 15-minute close, and then
very important.
As the London Open, it pulled back on the 5-minute, and then as it broke the 5-minute high.
Yeah.
That's what I think.
Yeah, because you see what happened right here. If we zoom in, we see this candle coming down, reject. This coming down, reject. This candle coming down, closing, not really having a big wick. This candle respecting the previous low. That was what I was looking at. I was like, could take it once it come back once it come back up. I don't know yet. Has the possibility to go down, but the probability became a bit less.
Guala said I started charging for the Zoom. I never even charged market fluidity people. I never asked anyone to buy anything. Dumbass is sore. people like I even stopped the Zoom payments, and I said it on my video. Don't know why he said shit like that. That's why I said something. But I didn't want to bring up shit on Luke's channel because Luke is fine. He just said it. Just. Because I was answering some people on YouTube. I just went to say hi and then went to like the stream. Yeah, Kevin, let me show you. Really, don't pay first, please. Okay, so if you go to YouTube and search market fluidity costs, or rather DVD, trust me, if you want to know what the cost is like, right, watch this entire thing. It's 5 hours plus. It's really similar. The only extra thing now that is inside, right, that I can show you, because the cost is expensive, that's why I don't mind sharing, because it's like, how much is it? It's like 500. So save your money. I can show you all what's inside. Then if you decide to get it, yeah, by all means do it. I'm not stopping anybody, just being transparent about it. Yeah, but I already said my piece already, so just leave them be. It's just a few people. Because I didn't explain to Guala. I didn't feel that why I needed to explain to him about why I stopped market fluidity. I explained to other people.
I'm from market fluidity, you never charge me.
Yeah.
And you don't let me pay.
Yeah, exactly. No? Yeah. Yeah.
I don't pay people, I'm here for free.
Yeah.
Free life.
Wait, let me... How come I cannot log in? Where's the login link? Shit, where's my login link? Oh, here it is. Okay, Kevin, I can show you what's inside. Extra things that you'll get, okay? Then you can decide. So, if you go through that video that I showed you just now, everything here in the video. Trust me. And then the extra things really that you get, right, is Raja put down all of Uncle Ted's old videos about psychology, and this is what this entire concept is. So if you like, but basically all the things that Uncle Ted says, if you pay attention to Raja's stream long enough, right, it's the same thing. So the only extra things that he input in is about more practice sessions on impulse entries. But he does it on stream also, so if you just pay attention to the stream, to what he's saying, you'll get it. Yeah. So yeah, everything, all this is inside the old video. That 5 hour plus video, all there. Yeah, and the only thing is Raja does for the members now. He does simulations, I think bi-weekly or something like that. Yeah. But honestly, watching a simulation versus doing it yourself, I'd rather you do it yourself. Because everybody's read and perception of the market is different. So, this is the cost. Buy it if you want, but I'm saying there's a teaser online. Go through that first before you spend $500 US. And then obviously you get the Slack also. Yeah. So this is the Slack channel. Yeah, it's just packaged properly. So if you want, like what I actually say, if you want the convenience, something packaged nicely, then yeah, by all means, you can buy the course. So inside the Slack, then Raja does this Asian session like analysis. He does a video every morning. Some here. I haven't even been on, so I'm a bit lost. But yeah, here. He will do his breakdowns for the people inside. So if you feel that all this is worth the value, then yeah, by all means.
sometimes better. Keep
Yeah,
your
I don't. You know what? The
vision,
thing
goal
is,
secret, and
yeah, just go low key.
exactly.
Nobody needs to know.
Nobody needs to know exactly. I like at the end of the day, I don't mind what people think about me.
Usually rejected. Damn. Yeah, you're welcome, Kevin. Yeah, man, I'm okay. Why? What's up? Yeah. Yeah, Jelly. Ashley's right. I'm just showing people that there are free resources there. And the free resource is literally given by Raja, so if you have that first and you can watch that before paying, why not? But if you feel that if you feel that it's worth it after that, yeah, by all means get it. Why not, right? It works for some people. The thing is, Jelly, how many courses have you taken? If it's the best. I think every course has its own pro and con. Yep, his strategy is simple. I agree. But I think if you... Okay, never mind. I'm not going to give my piece, it's okay. Because you already think it's the best course. I'm not going to try to convert you, plus it doesn't matter. I'm just helping Kevin, that's all. In my 7 years experience, try scalping, I decided to revert to the day or session trading. I tried scalping for a while when I first joined Raja. So I traded 7 years, right? During the entire thing, I was a day trader, never a scalper. So when I came onto Raja's thing and then I traded for like 10 to 15 pips, and I realized it wasn't for me, because if I can see a potential, for example, if I can see price going to this area here, why would I only take 10? Let's say I'm entering here, for example. Why would I only take 10 when I can see a potential price going up to here because structure says so? So you will understand your personality also. The reason why his strategy is people like it is because it's simple, that's number one. Second thing is quick gains. Getting 10 from GJ and gold is really very, 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 very easy. Very. When you master this skill set and consistently profitable, you think you can risk more as you know about your win rate? If you want to risk more, how much more? And the next thing you need to ask yourself is, do you want a win rate like this, gradual, or do you want a win rate like this? That's why you're risking more. For me, I rather trade stress, because as you win more, right, your account is already growing, so I don't see why you have to risk more. Because if you risk more and your account is also growing, you're increasing your risk like by a lot. So I would rather have a gradual trajectory on my account growth. Because trading is not everything. You gotta enjoy other aspects of your life also. Am I changing brokers since Pepperstone is capping the leverage from 28 March? No, I'm still with Pepperstone. It's just that from Pepperstone Australia, I moved to Pepperstone Bahamas. Angela, I don't think I have any US people here now, because they're probably still sleeping also. Yeah, but from what I heard from some of the people in Australia, right, if they live there, they cannot change, I think. They need to stick with the Australian brokers unless they change company. But if you're with Pepperstone, then you might need to check with them. I'm not sure where you're living now. Actually, it's only one person. It's really only one person. If I'm not wrong, I think Jelly is 15. Right, Jelly? Are you 15? So if this 1 hour doesn't close above the daily highs, right? This GJ is doing some nonsense. Jelly, everyone is entitled to their own opinions. You gave your opinion about the course. I had my own opinion. You don't see me fighting you, right? Let it go. That's all I'm saying. Let it go. He's gone quiet because he knows it's my stream and he's being respectful. When someone goes quiet doesn't mean that you have won. You gotta understand that, Jelly. Cause my stream is supposed to be like educational and for people. So if you want to fight here, please don't go somewhere else. Okay, if you win then yeah, good for you. What do you want? If your point is to come onto my stream to win, bruh, better let it go. Just leave him alone. Everyone's very chill. Yeah, Angela, I'm talking to someone on YouTube. No, Park is in... He's not in the US. Other yes, let's talk about other stuff. Yeah, today EU summit, then all the big players are coming out to speak, so I'm just chilling. And plus, Monday to Wednesday, GJ actually moved quite a bit already. From what I know of GJ's behavior, 5 days, if GJ move a lot, it's gonna have 1 day of consolidation, and I think it is today. The chat is more interesting than the chat. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, it's boring. Could I take a look at the chat? Yeah. Yeah, so today, since GJ is doing nothing, right? Whoever wants to send stuff, ask me stuff. You have free reign. Go ahead, but don't ask me stupid things. Ask whatever you wanna ask. I'm quite free today. Jelly, insult him one more time. Just insult Freighter one more time.
No. Let me do it. Let me do it. Please.
No, don't time him out yet. He needs to learn.
No, I wanna do it. I wanna do it. I got energy now. The products were nice.
If you notice the
Lola.
rest of the chat, right? They are very chill. No one is attacking each other because on my chat, everyone is supposed to help each other. That's how we grow. So if you want to come here and pick a fight, wrong chat. If I see another insult, I'm gonna kick you. So
Yeah. Go. That's what.
where are you, Alexi?
I'm in my living room.
Yeah, we're very chill. Okay. Let me see. How Ivan, I cannot see your chat, yeah? If you send something. Cause yeah, as in I gave him a lot of leeway already. No, I mean I gave this person a lot of leeway. He insulted me before. I said nothing. Now he's coming to like bring Discord into my chat. No. And I'm definitely not like capital hungry. I'm like, I look like Angel next to Jiben, man. Jiben has skills, but he also has a very, very bad mouth. Yeah, Ivan, if you send a chart, I cannot see the chart. You gotta read the YouTube description on how to send it. Nope, cannot see. Only copy the last part, please. Let me see. Someone asked about my chart. Oh, 44x here. So for example, if I click on the ray, right? So this is the ray that you can get from the left side on this area here, right? If I click on it, just double click. It applies to all the lines. See the text alignment here? You can choose center, left, center, top, bottom. So Test. See this thing? See? You can do whatever you want with it. Then here. So it's all inside the settings. How did I change it to Pepperstone Bahamas? Did you when I log in I had a notification telling me to shift. Maybe are you in Australia? I remember you said you were in Australia. If you're in Australia, I think it might not apply to you. We need to live chat with them and check. Cause mine had a pop-up. If not, then you can email them also. They are quite fast with their replies. Martin, my routine is my routine. My routine different from yours, eh? You wake up 2 o'clock. Let me see. Where's the chart? Yeah, I can open. GU breakout retest. Oh no, that's not a breakout. Breakout is this candle. This one. How did you enter this? Did you put a limit order? So I think you identified the structure correctly, so but the breakout is this candle. So when this candle closes below all this support, just wait for it to come back, retest. For me, personally, I'm a bit safer, more conservative. I'll wait for this candle to close. So I think you got it on a limit order or something. That's why your entry is a bit higher. But I want the candle to close to confirm that this resistance, new resistance is holding. What do I think of S&D strategy? Wow, Martin wake up so early. S&D supply resistance, same thing, right? Unless you're talking about the candle formations and stuff like that. Like this is a demand zone. It is also a support. This is a supply zone, also a resistance. It's the same thing, right? Unless you're talking about a different strategy. Oh no, Como. Yeah, I remember you're in Australia and they don't give you that option, I think. How about... Oh wait, IC is also Australian. You gotta look for other brokers then, I think. I asked my account manager about using VPNs and he said, I quote, I never hear and I don't know what you just said. So I think don't do it. Oh, Airborne, you took longs here. Oh. How did you take the longs? Breezy, I also want to sell you a signal, but I don't even have a trade how to sell. You buy when it hits the demand zone and sell on the supply zone, not breakout like price action. The thing is, if you trade the breakout, right? Okay, there's different ways to see it. If I want to trade off the, let's say if I buy this on the retest. Okay, this is a bad example because this is not a breakout. You can trade breakouts. It's another strategy. So if you're trading a breakout, there most likely is some kind of minor supply or demand zone over there. So you got to choose your strategy, I think. What's the low of Asian in your long bias today? Okay. No, but I'm asking like what was your entry criteria? Because based on what I'm seeing, 1 hour candle closed below the daily high. 15 also rejected. I don't know what time frame you entered. What was your entry candle formation that told you to go long? Having a bias is not wrong, but what's your reason for entering? Just when it breaks the high? Nah, Andy. Can? Entry was low of Asia. Oh, no. You gotta wait for some kind of... For me, when I take an entry, right, I need at least 2 confluences to a particular area. So, if I were to take... Okay, for example here. If I take this entry, I saw price breakout above this resistance, right? And I want to take an entry when it comes back to retest. Let's say this is my resistance, correct? I need the candle formations to tell me to buy, not just because it's an area that I'm waiting for. I will wait here, but I will let this bullish candle close. So when it closes, it confirms to me that this is a support. Then I take the trade up. So there's 2 confluences. First, zone is price broke above the zone, closed above the zone. So if it comes back retest, my first, this is already a resistance, that's 1. This is also a, no, 38 is invalid, but this is a previous level here too. So it's a resistance, support that turn resistance, right? So then I'll just wait here for confirmations from the candles. That's the second confirmation, then go, take the trade and go. Sometimes I even wait for third confirmation, like this next candle, I'll let it flip bullish, then I go. That's an extra confirmation. You can have it or don't have it, your choice. I just prefer to be a bit more careful. So waiting at an area that you have identified, not wrong. Just let the candles tell you the story. If they can hold the area first. It's just like just now I was waiting for shorts here. Price broke this level for me, right? Price came down, broke. It retested. So these 2 candles retested for me as a lower high. So just now when I came to the charts, right, it looked like this. Let me show you. So it broke this level, came down, broke the level, came back retest. This was the new lower high. When I saw that this candle closed, so gross. I didn't take my shots anymore. Yeah, gotta still watch the candles. The candles tell a story. Ogi, where's your trade? Is it in the... No, is it in the journal? Let me see. I need to see the entry. Hang on, based on the 1 hour. No, I think you read it correctly. 1 hour buyer area. Yep. I think you read it correctly. And I don't think it's wrong to put it at BE because there's news. You're just protecting your trade. Cause if they suddenly talk, right, then GG. Stop loss. But I have a... Okay, the 1 hour candle closed above the resistance. So this is a good thing, right? If you put your trade at BE, worst case, it stops you out at BE when it comes back to retest. But it is how it is. Because now there's news, you can't avoid it. So it's either you entered anticipating that it'll push to the highs here, which it already did, and then you BE after it. Or you don't take anything at all. Yeah, but the way you read the structure, I don't think it's wrong. So it's not a bad trade. Just now it's about risk management. Yeah, I saw the 15 also. You know how one of the examples in the book, they said that one of the guy's fears was, I think it was fear of losing or something like that. But he was very stuck on his one mentality. So sometimes you gotta watch the candle and then just flow with the market. Yeah, flow with it. So it's the fear of missing out where he kept expanding his TP. Thinking that it will go and give him the big winner, right? Yeah, but in this case you gotta watch what the market wants to give you. And just take what you can get first. Yeah, emotions, identify it, then you can solve it. Or rather address it, not ignore it. Peter, what do you want to do with this chart? You need to write some words for me. Are you planning to take a shot? Because I don't know what EMAs these are. I think these are fibs, but I also don't think so. So you just need to write a bit of notes so that I know what you want. Andy, don't play, I kick you. Explaining regarding the confirmation candle closure, do I rely always on 15? Or you may check the 30, 60 to 40. Okay. 30, honestly, the 30-minute does nothing to help me. Because if you look most of the time, right, the 30-minute structure looks like the 1 hour structure. So it's very little information. Whereas on the 15-minute versus the 1 hour, I get 4 candles to give me information towards the hour close. So I will look at weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute for my entries. So it depends on what kind of trades I want to take. So I take intraday trades on the 15. Sometimes if I take an entry on the 4 hour, if the risk reward is correct, then I swing that trade. So I have various types of trades with different entry criteria. But the analysis is always the same. It's always top down. So what I do normally, I'll start on the daily. Very seldom on the weekly unless it's Monday or Friday. So on the daily, I'll see what happened on the previous daily close. So today, I saw daily close bearish, broke the lows of the previous daily candle, made a new lower high. So to me, I was short bias till this level of daily support. Then I dropped down to the 4 hour. and I see what the structure is telling me. Structure on the 4 hour is still doing lower lows, lower highs. Same thing, bearish. So I only read trend from the two of them. And then when I saw, so a swing idea for me on the 4 hour will be potentially something like this. So I see a support forming of a 4 hour zone. If there was more range to the upside here, I would have taken this long. But this case, the 4 hour support does not warrant a buy for me because I only can take it until here. And my stop loss is here, so it doesn't make sense. So this is a 4 hour entry. Then I draw up my zones on each of the time frames also. So I know when price approaches that area, right? I know to be careful. And because my bias is bearish, when I approach this daily level, I'll wait for my shots to show up on the 15 minute if I want to take an intraday trade. Yeah, so I hope that helps. You're using SND, but where's your SND, Peter? SND needs to have its own zones also, right? Like you identified this is the supply zone, this is the demand zone. You don't have any zones. Unless you're telling me all this SZ, SZ and DZ is supply zone, demand zone, then this is the first time I'm seeing this. I tell you what, GJ is gonna do. GJ is going to open at 6 AM.
Lame.
Shut up. Eh? Are you using your phone?
No.
Oh no.
Who's Niao Sheng Dan? Is that Martin?
Liao Shen Dan. I don't know. No, I don't think it's Martin, because that's Chinese. Maybe it's Yusen.
But I swear Martin can speak Mandarin.
No, you only know certain phrases only.
Oh.
He definitely won't
No,
know
but-
what this is. Liao Shen Dan. Martin, you know what's Liao Shen Dan? Let's see, 2 pip below 50 fib. So you fib from the bottom of your 4 hour to the top. Okay. Entry and 4 hour flips bullish. On this candle? Isn't that really late after the support? Like, it's literally 8 hours late. Why not enter on, since you already know your entry zone is here, why not enter on the next candle? So you already entered your entry zone anyway. And wouldn't you have been afraid of this resistance? No? Since the trend is bearish. Yes. Not saying it's wrong, just questions. Enter on entry zone. So regardless what happens, do you need this candle to close first, then you'll enter on the next one? Because I know some people, they wait for the support to form, another candle to close to confirm the support, then they enter. I don't know if yours is like that. For me, the candle closing is already a confirmation. If this candle flips bullish, it is my entry. If this resistance wasn't here. Plus GJ is, when I came onto the charts, GJ was stuck inside this daily high and daily low. And it's still stuck. How do you cut it? How do you kick? I know the entries in the entry zone. I'm asking which candle. This number 1 or number 2, because it looks like you entered on number 2, and hence my subsequent questions. Because if you entered on number 2 candle, because that's where you put, right? I'm asking how come you didn't enter on number 1 candle, because it also entered your entry zone. So it would have helped if you put the green and red thing. At least I wouldn't have to ask or misunderstand. Yeah, that's why I asked Jess, because I thought you were late. But that's why, but I know, like I said, some people enter with more confirmations. That's why I asked. But my other question is, I think if you entered based on the 4 hour, you're probably not worried about the range. The daily range, I think, because your TP is way above it. But how do you get your TPs? Fib extensions? Yeah, I just ignore. And moving forward, I will continue to ignore. So no more personal help anymore.
My arms hurt.
Why? How did you cut your shin?
I hit my shin on the bed frame in my mom's room. It's not a big cut, it's a small cut, but it's one of those annoying ones.
Ouch. Second question, why were you in your mom's
She
room?
asked me to get something for her because she's downstairs.
Oh. Were you rushing as I kicked the bed?
No, I just wasn't paying attention.
Oops. Consolidation Thursdays.
Let me see if gold done anything.
Nothing, you just fell further. So good. Not taking the longs just now.
Lol.
Lol. GG is having trouble with the weekly resistance. Like every time it reaches the area, rejection. And it bounced off the 27 also.
On the 30-minute, it closed low as well.
GG?
Yeah, as in the previous. Wait, no, not previous. 2 candles ago.
Close lower, as in rejected.
As in like as in it rejected, and then the candle closed like lower than the resistance made at 149.426.
Oh yeah. So rejection of the daily highs. Okay, give me a moment, hang on. Stay at 69 by when? Come on, guys. Let's get Alexi to shave his beard. Are you really gonna shave your beard when I reach 69 likes? Stay by the end of my stream at 69. You shave your beard on Monday on stream.
Whoa.
Yes, you said it. Everybody saw.
I didn't say Monday.
Bruh.
How come you only appreciate the guys and the girls? One the days. Wow. Oh, she's not here. Damn.
Yes, he is. Yes, Angela, he is. But he's not on. Not yet, anyway. Lexi, remember the thing I was showing you yesterday? Today my pairs that was on my watch list is the extra one is EU, and EU was short.
Damn.
Yeah. Damn. From here. Break. Retest. Oh my god. I think so. There used to be more, but I got rid of them.
What is catalog marketing?
Supering today, supering. Nobody asking me anything, so I cannot help.
I have something that you can do. Oh, hold on.
What?
I might email it. Give me a sec. No, I don't. Shit, I forgot your email.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm gonna send you something. Hold on.
I never gave you my email before. Did I?
You did?
Really?
Oh, okay, no. Never mind.
You send me something?
One, two, three, four. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You know what, 44X? If I remember you said you're quite new, right? I can recommend this person. He's this guy. I learned quite a bit from him also, and he's very generous with his courses. I think if you go and watch his latest video, this one, right? I think it is this one, the Forex correlation one. Let me check. Yeah, so okay, I mean you don't really have to watch it, but you go down and click this thing, go and watch his entire free course. It will explain a lot about market structure, and it's fairly close to how I trade. So go and enroll. It really is free. You don't even need to buy his stuff. This he created this, so go watch it. It will give you a lot of guidance as to how I trade. So yeah, this video, then go and Trading Fanatic is his YouTube channel name. Free stuff. Think a buy will be better above 530. If price can close above it, then I'll wait for the retest, because it's yesterday's daily high also. Price broke, hasn't closed, and I've seen this rejection on the 1 hour. It closed bullish, yes, but it's still rejecting. It could feel the wick. So the reason why I'm waiting for the retest is because this candle could very easily feel the wick and then come back in and fake out. Then GG, stop loss. So I want to wait for price to break up, feel the wick, retest, hold this daily high, and then go up again. Then I'll consider taking longs. If not, no trade. How am I dealing with the losing streak? I'm better. Or you mean like what am I doing? I think it's what am I doing, right? I backtest and I take fewer trades. If you guys have noticed, I haven't really been taking a lot of trades, because there's really nothing. I'm very picky in my trades. I even half my risk. So this week, because the last week of the month, last week of the quarter, and next week first week of the month, I just went half risk. Because don't want to get trapped in weird price action. How long a period it took to decide what strategy or style suits me the best? I think you need to understand yourself first. So if you are you need to understand what kind of trader you are and what kind of person you are. If you like very quick wins, then you are a scalper. You belong on the lower time frames. If you are willing to wait for bigger returns, then you can trade on anything from the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. So position trading is not really for everybody. Swing trading has different lengths of time also. So for me, after I backtested a lot of strategies, right, then I realized that the common point was that I always came back to price action and market structure. So as long as I could understand this, whatever time frame I trade on is the same. Just have to choose the best time frame to suit my personality. There's no fixed period. I cannot give you a number because everyone's threshold is different. But a lot of the information I got was when I backtested, right? Because backtesting is a lot faster. You can fast forward the candles. When I backtested, and I roughly know like, okay, my losing streak will last for like maybe 7 consecutive trades, 10 consecutive trades, whatever. And I know once I hit around that mark, right, it's expected. So yeah, those information I got through backtesting also. Is this your report?
Huh?
Why you send me your report?
You for me, thank you.
No,
Oh,
I
okay.
got OCD. Why
Why?
like that?
It's the reviewed report.
Why like that? Why the font different? Nah.
Because it wasn't me that type.
Damn. Bro, your report is damn easy. You're so lucky, man.
No.
The top part is Googleable.
She said I need to add more to it. And
Add
go more
what?
in depth. And I need one more reference.
Academic journal. Yeah. University likes to do this kind of shit. They like you to quote from journal rather than website. So you
Yeah, I
gotta
fucking hate it.
just use Control F, man. It's your best friend.
Huh?
Control F. Type your keyword, your key term. Control F into the entire journal. Control F, then you read that sentence. Does it make sense? Okay, throw inside the report. Just read for context.
Wait, what does this do?
Coupon marketing also devalues the brand. You hear what I say? Coupon marketing also devalues the brand.
Yeah.
Cheapens the brand.
Yeah.
There you go. I just gave you another point.
Okay, but need reference.
Reference is Eleanor Wong. Professor Eleanor Wong.
Wow.
2021. Quote the YouTube stream. Oh, this thing. Yeah, the Zoom chat is entertaining. I'm waiting for the hour to close, so it has to close above. Since you just joined, I'm waiting for it to close above my previous daily high and above this level. It doesn't close above it. Ding ding ding. So close, then I'll wait for a retest, forming new support, then I'll take it up. If not, I won't do anything. So I'm waiting. If price can push up, I think it's gonna push up to 150. So yeah. Close above, retest, then I will take the trade up towards 150. That's my idea. But if it cannot close above, then GG is gross. Don't touch it. Wilson. Herbal or pepper? Herbal.
Nani?
Nani? Bakute is pork rib soup. Wrong. Did you guys get cheated on? That's why you said that.
All I can say is no comment.
No comment. Ooh, being tested by a company wants to hire you to be their trader. Just started today. Good job. Manage risks, profits, secondary manage risks.
Max, if you were right, I'll be with a man now, not with a woman.
Ooh. Rip. If we got to GJ, the 1 hour does not close above. Would it be risky to sell with TP 149 100? What's your criteria to sell? Just because it didn't close above? What's your entry criteria? You gotta tell me that. That's the important part. Because on the 15th, so far nothing has closed bearish yet. So for me to consider sells, right, how I would take the sells is, first, you see this structure here, this resistance here. I need price on the 15 minute to come down, break this first. This is step 1. So when it breaks this, it will pull back, create another lower high. This is my confirmation to take my sells down to 149. Yeah, so top, like I was telling Airborne just now, top of the range does not equal sell. Let's look at this big move. You gotta wait for our price to break the structure first. This is the current structure that it is holding now. So if price doesn't break this structure below, then it's going to range in these two areas here. Don't get chopped. Yeah. So that's how I wait. I need price to confirm for me. So rejections are one thing. It's indicative that yes, price may be trying to come down. But I don't know yet. It could just play inside here, right? And that's the last thing I want. So I will let it come here, break this first.
Oh,
Hmm?
check Discord.
Wait, shit. Ogi asked me something just now. Then, Ogi, what did you ask me just now? Shit, I don't know which part of the chat. If you are still here, can you ask again? Or did I already answer? Wait, did I miss anything? Okay, no more already. No. Bruh, you go 4, 5, 6. You play cheat.
Okay, okay, I'll do this instead.
Come on, man. Go big or go home.
Okay.
Okay. Let me give you history. Let me think.
Ooh, I know.
Okay. Nah. No. Lower. Lower. Yeah.
Did I get it? Did I get it?
Wait. I saw something cute. The kitty cats are so cute. This is why. Look at GJ rejecting. Ding ding ding.
GG dangerous right now.
Can I buy now?
But then this
No,
candle
cannot.
just opened as well. Like, don't ever top quick. And then previous candle managed to close above that resistance, but not the one before it.
Wow.
And I think Bailey's still on. Yeah, he's still on.
How you know?
Juice Financial.
Juice Financial. Juice Financial said nothing about Bailey.
On the left. BOE
Oh.
Governor Bailey speaks 10 a.m. It is now 10:03.
I'm not super worried about him. The gut is the
No.
one.
Are they still speaking? Oh,
I
let me
think
look
she
at
just
the-
started speaking. The thing is on the 4 hour, right?
Bless you. Bless you.
Yes,
Bless
you.
you.
The thing about the 4 hour is, yes, it could be making a lower wick, yes. But why is it rejecting so many times? It did push. This 4 hour candle push all the way up. How come close lower? That is my question. So
Yeah, let's look at GJ instead. On the 4 hour.
that's why it's a bit dodgy to me. But anyway, there's no longs from here. So the longs are from the bottom, unfortunately. Or at least from this. If someone had some reason to enter here, maybe. Other than
We
that.
had 1 week break lower. But like 2 weeks break higher. I think the buyers have more power. Based on how, I don't know, but then the previous candle is like an indecision candle almost, but then it did close above.
Yeah,
The fall
body
resist-
same size as the wicks.
Yeah,
It's like it did a fat doji.
it did my supernova candle.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna let it close above.
The only reason I'd say that the buyers have more control at like right now is just because the wicks have managed to break up higher. But that's the only reason.
Yeah. So if your read is that the buys are still holding, right? Then yeah, you can let it go up first. At least close above this nonsense for you. Then retest, then you still continue going higher. Because if they retest, means they'll form a new support. Means they're holding this new resistance already. Then up, away we go.
There's no structure on the 4 hours, so I have to look at the 1. The thing is, there's an area at like 149,600 that I'm concerned about. It was a support, then made a resistance. I don't know. I don't see anything I like on GG right now.
Even on Go also. Okay, Go. Like toothpick candles. Damn nasty. What's happening on GU? Let's see. GU also consolidating. Ooh, if GU does this consolidation and it pooms reacts and breaks out of the consolidation, ooh, this might be a nice buy on GU, whoever trades GU. Back to the previous 4-hour support. Damn. Since it's consolidating now.
Bless you.
Oh, that was really slow. Is it very lag?
No. I just wasn't fast.
Fast.
I want go bonkers already and stupid thing. I don't like to do 汇钱, then make me do 汇钱, and sickening, you know.
Who's your mother? Who's your mother arguing with? Dude, you should also tell her the Indian boy has the same birthday as her.
Okay, done. AU buys. How did you buy this, Cameron? Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me.
You don't get bless you.
Okay.
It wasn't loud enough.
Achoo!
No, you just go. Achoo!
No.
Why? Is GJ a buy?
Looks like it's closing. You just bash right through. Oops, shit. Lucky, Max. Lucky. Where do you enter? Flip as in this one? After the support or like... Oh, wow, scare me. I thought you enter here. Kick you from the Zoom if you enter here. This candle flip, I'm gonna kick you. Why would you buy here?
Isn't AUD
Oh, yeah,
falling?
Zone lower. Nah, Ogi. Your trade wasn't lucky. Your trade is a read of structure. See? You look at this. Price came up on the one, because you took it on the 1 hour, right? See? Price broke this resistance. Then you waited for the retest. Made a higher low from the retest. It's not lucky. You read the structure well. And you got it low. It's the same thing as what you do on the 15. Break structure, wait for retest, enter. And this formation is a good formation. This is already a buyer area. I think it's a good trade. The only thing not going for you is news. That's about it. Yeah.
Why did I typo that when I'm not?
Yeah, why?
You know.
You weird person.
It's cause he's not speaking. He's texting.
Yeah. Okay, I think you did okay. Plus you put the support at BE, right? As you approach news timing. Yeah, then you manage your risk. You manage your risk also as you headed into news. So I think you did everything you were supposed to do. Yeah, well done. 2R already, right? Smashed it. Yeah. So now on the 1 hour structure, if this candle closes above, shift. Just keep going up. Even on the 15. Yeah, look at this. You know what to do, your stop loss really. So if this 15 closes like this, it broke all my structure on the left. So now I will wait for price to come back, form another higher low, then I'll enter stop loss below the new higher low. If I want to be conservative, I can also place it below the previous structure low. So 2 options, but I'm waiting for the retest. The 15-minute closes bearish, but weak, and then the next one breaks the high. Is it good to buy? I need the support to close. I don't buy when it breaks the high. That is not my entry. Because if I buy when it breaks the high, right, I think it will. If you buy when it breaks the high, means you're buying at the high. You're buying at an even higher high. And it's an impulse buy, so I don't take impulse entries. So because I want to get a bigger move, I'm aiming for this highs over here, which is near 150. So I need it to come back for me. If it goes up, right, now I'll let the trade go. Then I'll wait around here to take shots. So that's just how I trade. I don't go for 10 pips. I think you might not know that. Always buy low, don't buy high. First position. Wasn't this right at the daily resistance? Buys when candle flip. I think, Nadim, I think this trade, right? I think it was a bit lucky also. Because but I think you managed the risk because you waited for the candle to flip. So if the thing is, if you let this candle show that it cannot break the low, right, and it flips bullish and then you enter, then I think you made the right call. But it was also lucky that it didn't reject from these highs, because previously it did reject. And if you look at the previous bear bullish candle, right, the reason why I was uncomfortable with the buys is because this bullish candle failed to break this bearish candle high. So that showed weakness to me. Yeah, but I think if you waited, then this was a good call. It saved your trade, I think. Then bam! Do I add more scaling trades on the winning trade or just manage? I scale out of my trade. I usually TP at 2R, I take 50% off, then I trail my stop loss up. I don't add on. If I add on, I take it as it's a fresh trade. It's not, I don't really consider it scaling in. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think you made a good observation, Max. No lower wick equals tougher to go down, right? Then the next candle making the lower wick and then flipping bullish is a confirmation. So I think you read it well. CHFJPY. Let's see. Ooh. What was your reason of entering, Bruno? Because the breakout was on the previous candle. So this was consolidation, right? It looks like a breakout candle, so why not enter on this candle? Plus, if this is the RSI, be careful, yeah? Because you have the RSI, so I think you trade it. Be careful going long. This looks like a... If I'm not wrong, CHFJPY is bearish. Let me see. Might not go that high though. Targeting 178.92. Ooh. There's support here. I think you got it at a good price, but I would personally wait for the retest. This doesn't look very good. Yeah, structurally the 4 hour is also... Price came back, pushed back up. This was the new high, right? Came down, retested, made a new lower high. So I would be worried about buying. Plus your TP I think is around here. Yeah, but if you're already in the trade, then just manage your risk. Your entry is based on the 15 or the 4 hour? I think if you measured your... This is the 30. I think if you are looking at structure, I think your zones look about correct. So if you secure some here, and then just keep trailing your stop loss up, then it's fine. This just a bit... Because if you enter on this, you need to watch out for everything on this time frame. And that's why your structure for TP is based on this time frame, right? And not the 4 hour. So yeah. Just be careful. Because with this tight a stop loss and you're taking a 4 hour trade, right? It might come back, retest this resistance and then go again. So that's the fear. That's my read of the price action, because this is the breakout. Breakout, watch for this resistance. But I think you place your stop loss slightly below it, so it might be fine. Just adjust. That's my thoughts of it. I think it will come back to retest this area here, because this whole area here is previous resistance also, so it could come back. Okay, I'm gonna go off on this 30-minute close, yeah. Raja's coming on, be careful trading. Those who are going long, be careful. I'll be waiting around 150 to short. So looks like there's still a bit more range. Ooh, Santander is closing. Aiden about to go off already. Welcome, Raul. I think let me do a final check on news. There is GDP news at just after the North American Open. So you're trading gold and there's unemployment claims. So this is actually major news. So if you guys have Forex Factory or whatever, it shows as a nothing news. It is not nothing. So if you're trading gold near that timing, please be careful. Yeah, and there's BOJ talk also. Kuruda. Basically, don't trade till after New York Stock Exchange open and you should be fine. Just let all the news settle first. Why Kuroda no sleep? Okay, there's no more questions. I'm gonna go off YouTube. I will see you all tomorrow. Be careful. Again, I say be careful. Right. Bye bye.
Oh, would you look at that?
Oh shit. Oh wait, no.
What?
Never mind.
What happened?
Nothing. Welcome 44X. You saw the link that I showed you, right? The one about Trading Fanatic. Really, go and watch that course. It will help you a lot. It answers a lot of like the questions a new person will have. Trust. And it's free.
Wait, what?
Trader's Journey. Yeah, you're welcome. Let me know how you find it. Trader's Journey. Oh, this one. Oh, look, another stream. Trade style balance. Okay, later I'll check it out. Interesting. Okay.
Oh.
You can have a look later. Bye bye.